Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on this Porsche Cayenne guys. This is first generation Cayenne from 2002 to 2010. What we'll be doing guys today, we'll show you where to find the fuse for your front left, the driver seat, okay, for power seat, memory seat, and for the steering column if you have the power steering column as well. So we have two fuses guys responsible for that. Stay with us, that's what we'll be covering. All the tools and parts that we use guys in our videos are listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. Now we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe. Our goal is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. All the electrical videos will be on this channel and the mechanical videos will be on our main channels, World Mechanics and Auto Repair guys. Please subscribe to the channel. So you open the door, okay, let me show you. If you have the driver seat, okay, power, memory seats, whatever it is, this seat and the steering column as well, we'll show you guys which fuse you need to check. Okay, right under this cover you have fuses. We'll be using plastic panel removal tool like this one so you don't scratch anything to pull that thing out. Perfect. Now you have 5 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clips. Okay, fuses are printed on the back side. We need to find fuse. Okay, in our case will be fuse 44 and 45 should be correct. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 and 8 fuse from right to left, or second and third from left to right. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and if we start from here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 7 and 8. So these two fuses, guys. Okay, these two fuses. Okay, this one here and this one over there are the one for the seat. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to some of you. Please, guys, hit that subscribe button for more videos. If you need anything specific, drop a comment below and we'll try to make a video for your problem. So thank you for watching and see you guys next time.